Using the search everything function to find an article can be helpful, but a better way to find articles is by going into particular databases. This video will explain how to use the Academic Search Complete, a great general database that covers a large subject topic area. If to get to Academic Search Complete, we are going to click on the Databases tab and then click on the letter A. You can see we have a ton of different databases that start with the letter A and that cover a wide variety of topics here, but we are going to click on the fourth link down labeled Academic Search Complete. You will see a screen that looks similar to this. When you go into different databases, you might notice it looks pretty much exactly like this, and that's because this is run by EBSCO. And you'll notice that the name of the database is located in green up at the top next to the word searching. So you can always tell what database you are in by looking at that function there. If we are looking for an article on social justice, I can type in the keyword phrase social justice and hit the search box. Before I do that, I can also limit my results. So if I'm looking for a scholarly or peer-reviewed journal article, I could check the box right there. I can then also limit by publication date. So if I needed something published within the last 5 years, I could limit my publication date from 2015 to 2020. I could then hit search and look at my results. When I'm looking here, I can see there are multiple ways I can limit on the left-hand side. I could limit to full text, so you don't have to worry about trying to get something through interlibrary loan. I can also limit, if I forget, the scholarly peer-reviewed journal articles, and I can also limit by publication date here as well. So if you forget to do it on that front screen, you can always do it later once your results have popped up. I can also limit by source type, so if I want just academic journals and no book reviews or magazines, I could click on that as well. When I'm looking here, I will see that I have multiple options available to me. If I click on this first link here, I can see a nice abstract for the article that I want to read. The abstract is a summary of the article, and it will tell you all about the article you're looking at reading. I highly recommend reading that abstract before you check out the article because it might be a waste of time for you and it might not actually be what you think it is based on the title alone. So always check out that abstract to get an idea of what the article is about before you download it or spend time reading the article. You will usually have multiple options. You can usually view it HTML full text or PDF full text. I highly recommend viewing the PDF full text of an article because it contains important information such as the page numbers that you need when you are creating your citations. In the Academic Search Complete database, you will notice that there is a citation tool located on the right-hand side. If you click on that, there are multiple citation styles that you can pick from, including MLA, APA, Chicago, etc. I wanted to point this out because many students use this, but they are not always 100% correct. So what you are going to want to do is make sure that you double check them against the Milne Library style guides locating under the citation sources in key links. You can also create a permalink, so if your instructor is looking for the particular article and wants the link for the article, you can use that permalink function right there. They will be able to access it. If you email or use Google Drive, you will need to be logged in to view these particular articles. Your login information is just the Oniana username and password. You can also save it or download it or print it. It's all up to you. The choice is yours. There are endless possibilities. Let's go back to our results list quickly. So you'll notice some of them are only PDF full text and some of them have both options. I'm going to uncheck our full text to see if we have any examples where we don't have one available. We'll kind of scroll through a little bit to see. All right, so sometimes you'll notice that there is a request through interlibrary loan option. If you click on this, it means we do not have immediate access to that particular article, but you can request it through interlibrary loan. Interlibrary loan is free for you, and you will log in using your Oniana username and password. The first time you log in, you will be requested to fill out some personal identification information. Every time after that, you will just be taken to the article request page. If you wanted this article, you would then hit submit request and you would be all set. You will get notified once the article has arrived, and you can come back into Interlibrary Loan to view the particular article.